Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Today. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into a fascinating and somewhat unsettling topic, an emerging virus that operates entirely through the Windows Management Instrumentation, or WMI. This isn't just any run-of-the-mill malware. It's a self-extracting virus that never touches the disk, making it almost invisible to traditional antivirus systems. So buckle up as we unravel this complex world of cybersecurity. First off, what is WMI, and why does it matter? Well, think of WMI as a behind-the-scenes database for Windows. It provides vital information about your computer's hardware and enables core functionalities, acting like a switchboard operator that controls various processes. For example, when you set an application to start with your computer, that's leveraging WMI. But here's where it gets interesting. This virus uses WMI to store a malicious payload, which means it doesn't save anything to disk where antivirus software typically scans. Instead, it hides in plain sight within the WMI. Now let's discuss how this virus operates. Imagine that when you boot up your machine, this WMI-based virus finds a way to extract its payload via a PowerShell script. The process works without the virus ever hitting your file system, essentially rendering it undetectable by most antivirus tools. I mean, that's a pretty clever trick, right? And here's a little twist. There's a section of this research that mentions a novel privilege escalation technique. This basically means that the virus can gain higher-level access to the system than it should normally have, making it even more dangerous. It can manipulate the way your operating system interacts with security tools. So, for the technicians and cybersecurity experts out there, this is the stuff of both fascination and concern. But what makes this discussion even more thrilling is the possibility of a WMI-based race condition, which could undermine anti-malware services. Imagine a scenario where security measures are downgraded to a level even lower than guest user status. It's a nightmare for anyone interested in safeguarding their systems. So let's try to humanize this for a moment. Picture your favorite spy thriller, where the hero uses high-tech gadgets to outsmart the enemy. In this case, the WMI virus plays a similar role, hiding its tracks, executing cleverly designed tricks to evade detection, almost akin to a digital ninja. But unlike in movies, this isn't fiction. It's a real threat that can be weaponized. As we near the end of our discussion, it's worth noting the implications. With potential exploits that can lead to accessing kernel space and loading unsigned drivers, we've really opened a Pandora's box. For those hackers tuning in, it's almost a blueprints level of information. An excellent opportunity for developing more sophisticated tools, but it's also a massive risk for everyday users. So what can we take away from all this? One key insight is that cybersecurity is not just about defending against external threats. It's about understanding the tools and functionalities of the systems we rely on daily. Keeping abreast of innovative malware like the WMI virus forces us to think critically about the methods used for prevention and defense. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk today. As always, stay informed, stay safe, and keep questioning the technology that surrounds you. Until next time.